Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting has happened here with the updates, and it has to do with the fact that Microsoft, for a long time, when a Windows version was to expire, would offer that update to paid customers in the business side. So companies would just pay for extended support for up to 3 years to get to their updates for security. Now, we talked about how Windows 10 seems to have a little bit of a revive. Microsoft looking at Windows 10, giving it features that were not supposed to be there first, Copilot, for example. Now it's going to be interesting to see what exactly happens in 2025, because Microsoft was thinking about, of course, the extending Windows 10 to a few more years. And we learned today that, and this could be the surprise, rather than giving a free ride of 3 more years of security updates, you might actually have to pay. Microsoft announced that the extended support paid service that they gave to enterprise will also be available for home users. So this could hint at, we'll extend Windows 10 beyond 2025 for 3 years, up to 3 years for security updates, but you'll have to pay for it. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens and how many people will actually pay to extend. I know some will, that's for sure. But could this also make some users a little mad? I don't know. It depends, on many factors. We're still 2 years, a little less than 2 years away. We have Windows 11, Windows 12 in the mix. So when we get there in 2025, maybe it isn't going to be that many computers with Windows 10, but I think their number is still going to be high. So this is going to be apparently offered to continue after the end of support date, and that you will be able to pay for extended support for security. Of course, in their post, Microsoft says, you better move on to Windows 11, but that's going to be the interesting thing about it, having extended support paid. So the question I would probably have for you guys today is paid extension for Windows 10. Will you pay for it? Will you try to move on to Windows 11? What exactly will happen? What's your reaction to maybe an extension to 3 years, but paid rather than a free ride? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.